really about love. A bond so strong, it fits like a glove. It ain't just romance, it's deeper than that. It's a feeling so real, can't deny the fact. Love ain't just about hearts and flowers. It's about being there through all the hours. Through thick and thin, we stand side by side. In the game of love, we'll take that ride. Love, friendship, it's all the same. A bond so strong, it's like a flame. Through ups and downs, we'll stick together. In the heart of friendship, we'll last forever. Now let's talk about friendship. Yo, it's pure gold. Through laughter and tears, our stories unfold. We got each other's back through thick and thin. In the game of life, we always win. Friendship ain't just about hanging out. It's about trust without a doubt. Through trials and tribulations, we'll always stand. In the circle of friends, we'll take our stand. So let's raise a toast to love and friendship true. In the journey of life, it's me and you. Through the highs and lows, we'll navigate. In the bond of love, friendship, we celebrate. We celebrate a toast to love and friendship true. In the journey of life, it's me and you. Through the highs and lows, we'll navigate. In the bond of love and friendship, we celebrate. Listen up, gotta tune into the voice within. Motivation's the key, let the journey begin. In the mirror, see a warrior, eyes burning bright. Every challenge, every obstacle, ready to fight. Rise up, stand tall, gotta chase that dream. Through the storm, through the rain, let your spirit gleam. Believe in yourself, you're a force to be reckoned. In the arena of life, you're the one beckoning. No room for doubt, gotta silence the fear. In the face of adversity, let perseverance steer. Every setback's a setup for a greater comeback. In the rhythm of life, find your own track. From the ashes of doubt, let determination rise. With every step forward, let your spirit fly. In the symphony of dreams, play your own tune. The world's your stage under the spotlight moon. Rise up, stand tall, gotta chase that dream. Through the storm, through the rain, let your spirit gleam. Believe in yourself, you're a force to be reckoned. In the arena of life, you're the one beckoning. So gather your courage, ignite the fire within. For in the pursuit of passion, you're destined to win. With every hurdle overcome, you'll soar high. Motivation's the anthem, reach for the sky.
Double kill. Shut down. Retreat.
In the whisper of the wind, I found my song. Amidst the dance of leaves, where I belong. The earth beneath my feet, sacred ground. Nature's embrace, true love is found.
They got lucky.
For I am bound to the rhythm of the trees and the melody of the flowing seas. In every sunrise and every sunset, you, my love for religion forever true. In the gentle caress of the morning dew, I feel the universe vast and unknown. Amongst the mountains high and valleys low, nature's symphony, a timeless show. With each breath of air, I taste the divine.
Victory!
In every